Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to integrate Stripe with Weemail. Firstly, you want to make sure you have an account with Stripe. Then, go to Lists and then click on an existing list or click on Add New to create a list by setting the name. When you click on the list name, click on Settings under Option. Then enable the webhook and click on the URL link to copy the link. Now in your Stripe account, click on Webhooks under Developers. Now click on Add Endpoint to paste the URL link. Select the Order.Created event from the drop-down list because you need to get the email address from your Stripe account order in your online store. Click on Add Endpoint to finish. This is how your Stripe account will look like. When any of your customers make a payment from Stripe, the email address will be added to your selected email list. And that is how you can integrate Stripe with Weemail. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getweemail.io and subscribe to our channel.